Hello everyone, I will show you how to use Apollo.io step-by-step tutorial. First of all, Apollo is great search and analytics platform to improve your website or your business. And what is Apollo.io exactly? Apollo is a cloud-based sales automation tool. It serves as a tool for lead generation, contact database management, and email outreach. Founded in 2015, Apollo.io is a lead intelligence and sales engagement platform trusted by 9,000 customers, including some of the largest global enterprises. And what you need to do now, after you understand what is Apollo.io, now we need to sign up from here for free and create a new account, which is very easy. I already have an account, but what you need to do is just insert your name and your email and create account. And after you create it, you can log in from here. I already logged in. As you see, this is my account. And after that, it will show up to you. This is the home page. And what is the home page mean? Which is, it will show up to you emails delivered and calls dialed, and how many emails opened, and emails replied, and emails interested, and how many calls connected. And if I scroll down, it will show up to me recent replies, and will show up to you all messages, and how many not interested and unsubscribe, and all of them you can see them from here. Follow-up question, and we have recommended prospects as well, and we have manage message optimizations, and we have tasks from here, which is you can create a new task for certain person you would like to do this task. You can create it for him. And we have alerts as well. You can create a new alert from here, which is alerts notify you when there is a promising opportunity to advance contact or account or help improve your sales process or infrastructure. And after that, tap on create new alert. And we have under prospect and in reach, we have search, which is if I click on it, will show up to me people and companies and saved lists, which is the first thing. What you need to do is to tap on saved lists, and you need to create new list from here. Tap on people lists on the first one from here and create a new list. And after you name it really quick, and tap on save, and after that tap on people lists and click on companies lists. And from here you need to create a new list for companies lists as well. Tap on save, and after you create a new two lists for people and for companies, click on people from here section, and from here you can search for certain people to add them as a contact and reach out to them from here. For we have filters, which is you need to insert and check one by one these filters, this section, in order to show up to you the result from here, which is I will show you. We have name, insert any name from here, you can check them one by one, and after you insert all of them, and we have more filters. If you want to add more filters as well, tap on more filters, and after that you can add more filters. For example, language, you can add language, and you can add stage or whatever sequence, whatever you would like. And we have the companies from here section, which is if I click on it, which is the same process, which is you need to insert the company name and the account location and how many employees and industry and buying intent. And from here what you can do is to select them from here, select certain people and you can add them. Tap on save people, you can save them to your list and choose the list, add to list and choose from here my list, the first one, this one, and I'll tap on save. And after that tap on saved lists and choose companies lists and choose people lists and tap on your list and you will find them inside your list. And as you see, we show me the people we saved in my list, and this is the first section, which is search, and we have data enrichment, which is if I click on it will show up to me the data health center dashboard. Allows you to keep track of your data quality and coverage in one view. And after that from here you can use it and tap on CRM and you can connect with Salesforce. You can connect your Apollo with Salesforce, or you can connect it with HubSpot and you can tap on CSV, which is you can upgrade to basic in order to use it. And we have job change alerts and APA. And after that we have the sequence, which is the engage. And under the engage you will find sequences and emails and calls, which is the most important in Apollo. And if you tap on sequences and tap on a new sequence from here, and you can create a sequence with AI assistance, or you can create with a pre-formatted, which is pre-built, and you can choose a clone, which is make a copy of one of your existing sequences, or you can create a new sequence from scratch. I will choose this one of pre-formatted, which is pre-built already from Apollo. Tap on it and will show up to me from here pre-built templates already for you. What you need to do is you only need to change the name and change the message if you want and edit it. And from here we have automatic email day 1, automatic email day 4, automatic email day 7, automatic email day 10. And from here you can choose whatever template you would like. From here choose what fit you, and after that tap on create and customize. And after that, as you see from here, you can edit it from here, edit everything, then your first name and edit the message. And after you edit it, tap on this to activate this automatic email day 1, and you can activate all of them from here, and you will send the emails automatically to your contact, which is your contact. You can add them from here. Tap on add contacts, and from here you can select prospects to add from search, which is from this section I already told you on. And you can upload your file for if you already have contacts and you want to upload them from here, and you can upload prospects from one of your current lists, which is from this search. Inside the lists we created for a second, and we have this a new one, which is create a play that will automatically add contacts to this sequence. And after you add contacts, now what you need to do is to tap on emails. And after that we show you the emails you create, which is tap on templates. And from here you can add a new template, tap on new template, and you can create a new template from scratch, custom template for you if you would like. If you don't like the one Apollo provide for you, body from here, which is mean insert your message, and from here you can use these icons as you see to create perfect message, create message, and after that tap on send test email to me to your email to test if this working very well. And after that we have calls, tap on calls, and from here in order to use it you need to upgrade to basic. And we have meetings, tap on meetings, and from here what you need to do is you need to connect your key calendar, which is Google Calendar or Calendly, with Apollo, which is I will tell you how to do it, which is tap on your profile on the right top corner and tap on integrations from here, and from here scroll down and tap on Google. From here search for Google Calendar, and from here you can connect. If you find Google Calendar, just tap on connect from here and you can connect it easily. And after you complete, click back, and after that we show you like this, and you can create new meetings from here with your team or whatever you would like. And after that we have conversations, and you need to set up conversation, which is you need to connect it to Zoom, and from here convert your conversation into winning strategies, which is automatically record, transcribe, and analyze video call meetings powered by Apollo.io, and from here connected with Google Meet or with Zoom. And we have deals, click on deals, and in order to use this you need to sync your Apollo.io with Salesforce platform or with HubSpot. Tap on get started, tap on get started in order to connect it and start using deals. And after that we have tasks from here, click on it, and if you want to use tasks, which is create and manage tasks to help engage with your leads in timely manner, tap on upgrade to basic in order to use it. And we have Blaze, tap on Blaze, and from here tap on a new play, and from here you can ask happy customers for referrals, reach out to ask for referrals from happy customers, helps you close more deals. If you want to try it, just tap on try it, or you can choose whatever fit you. From here we have recommended or retention or with a lot of them, or you can create new one from scratch, which as I will show you. From here tap on create from scratch to create a new one, as you see. And we have analytics, click on it, which is the last one, and you need to upgrade to professional plan in order to use it. And the last thing I want to say, which is tap on your profile on the right top corner and you can add LinkedIn extension and add contacts from LinkedIn to Apollo through install LinkedIn extension from here, or Apollo extension, which is just click on it. And we have settings, click on settings. This is the last step, which is if you click on objects and if you tap on contacts, you can change the shape of the Apollo. You tap on add stage and you can add new stages or custom stage, and you can change the place, the position of it, as you see. And we have account as well, the same process, deals, or you tap on table layouts, and from here you can create a new layout you can edit table layout. As you see, you can edit from here one by one. As you see, you can add a new one. And if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.